Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will show you how to record software automation test script using Playwright Codegen. As part of today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. So Playwright Codegen tutorial, run Codegen command, then we'll record our test script. Thereafter execute that script to verify. We'll use the Eclipse IDE. Here is the Maven command. So those Maven command you need to execute. After the code gen, there is a website demo.playwright.dev. You can use your own URL which you are testing on. Also, you need to install Maven on your system before doing this process. So let me open Eclipse. Here is my Eclipse. Already our Maven project created for Playwright. Those who are new in Eclipse IDE as well as Maven project creation, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So then there is a question where you will get that command. So in order to get that command, you need to open any browser. I will open Google Chrome. So then go to google.com. Thereafter you need to search Playwright. Then hit enter from keyboard. There is the first website, you need to go there. Navigate there. Then from the drop down you need to select Java. Thereafter you need to click Docs. Once you are in Docs here, then you need to click Generating Test. Click over here. So scroll down, running Codegen command. Here is the command, you can copy from here. Once you copy it from here, then you need to go to Eclipse. Eclipse, you need to select the project, right click in the project, then you need to show in local terminal, then click terminal. Here is the terminal. So here you need to paste your Codegen Maven command, right click, paste. We'll modify our URL. We'll do this URL. Let me copy from here, sourcedemo.com for our practice purpose. Then you need to delete the default website from here. You can use default website no matter what, or you can use any web address URL over here. Space, then you need to paste your code over here. Then you need to hit enter from your keyboard. So now you see Maven command is running. It will open browser as well as code recorder. Both it will open, but it will take some time, not that much. Just wait little bit, you will get that. You see the code writer open in right side, then browser also open. Whatever you will do in your browser application, everything will be recorded on the right side in code generator. First we will write over here username. So let's say username is standard underscore user. Then we need to type password. Password is secret underscore sauce. Then hit enter or click login button. Click login button. You are in login. So we are not doing anything, just for recording our test script, and then we will log out from here. Click over here, then click log out. It is done. Then go to the code recorder. Here we need to stop recording. Stop recording. Let me bigger this code recorder. Already our code is recorded over here. You can copy from here, just click copy button. Then you need to go to Eclipse to verify that script. So we'll create a new class over here, right click, new class. Let's say Codegen example. Class name is Codegen example. Then click finish. So it is your. So basically we'll paste all the code over here. Let me see after that. So only thing we need to a little bit modification. Here the class name is example. We need to do the our class name. Copy from here and put it our class name. then we can delete this class because it is already recorded. So here is our code. You can save it. So we don't need to modify anything. You can run it from here. It will execute whatever we did that. So let me right click, run as Java application. Let's see how it goes. It is running basically. So as a fast run, it will take little time for opening the, you see this browser, your application is opening. You see, it is very quick. It open, it log in, then log out. Everything is done. Let me do little modification in the code so that we can watch that every single thing, what it is doing. Let me do over here, little wait time, thread dot sleep. Let's say we'll do the 5 second. That means 5000 millisecond wait over here. After login, we need to see that everything is, it's a red mark, mouse over, add throws declaration, red mark will be gone. So that is done. Once it is log out, thereafter, we need to put an message SYSO, control space bar. So application login, log out, successful. So okay, then save it. So as you know, it runs very fast. In order to see that, we put the wait time over here so that we can watch that what is going on. Right click, run as Java application. So it is running. It will open browser and it will execute the code. You see browser open. You see it is login. Thereafter it is waiting. In the first time it opens and log out quickly. Now it is, you can watch the logout. You see also the console message, application login logout successful, whatever we did. That means for code gen help, you don't need to write any code by yourself. Only the very little thing like a class name and some other thing you need to modify. Everything recorded by the code gen. That means any code recording your application you can record and you can do your automation testing without writing any single line of code. So that's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in software automation testing using Playwright and Codegen, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question regarding software automation testing, also Playwright and Codegen, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.